Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Social Science Mantra, and you are watching video number 4, chapter 2, Planning and Development. In last video we discussed about first 5-year plan and second 5-year plan, its achievements and various problems. So initial 5-year plans, and we can say the development strategy which have been followed by the Indian planners, it created the problems, it created the discussion and debates. So several important questions have been raised. They took agriculture in first 5-year plan. Was it the right decision? They took industry in the second 5-year plan. Was it the right decision? So various arguments arises during the strategy of development. Before also the discussion was there that which approach government should lead. Government should lead the socialistic pattern of society or the capitalist. Okay, so please do not confuse there. It was there at the time of independence as well, and when they were following the socialistic pattern of society, that time also the same discussion and debate were there. Okay, as we know that whatever the work is being done by a group of people and one individual, it is always criticized. So similarly happened that the argument, the questions arises. The strategy of development followed in early years raised several important questions. So two important questions have been discussed in this chapter. That is, one is agriculture versus industry. Okay. So second 5-year plan that lacked agrarian strategy. So critics, they criticize this. The second 5-year plan, there was only focus on industry. Agrarian strategy for development was lacking into the second FYP. Okay. Secondly, they said that emphasis on industry caused agriculture and rural India to suffer. That agriculture and the farmers, they do not get developed and they suffer more than to the industrialist, because agriculture totally ignored by the second 5-year planners. Okay. So one group was Jesse Kumarappa, the person. This man criticized that rural industrialization should be there. His argument, he argued that the rural industrialization should be accepted by the planners. The planners should give more focus on the rural industrialization. Urban areas they are already covering, but they also need to keep the rural areas in concern, and they have to promote the rural industrialization if they want the real success of the planning. Okay. Chaudhary Charan Singh, another man who was a member of Congress at that time and later on formed Bharatiya Lok Dal. Okay, he formed another party later on. So he also argued that agriculture should be the center of planning. It means whenever the planning will be made, in the center of it, agriculture should be taken. Okay. So various arguments come up from the different sides. One, Jesse Kumarappa advocated about rural industrialization. Chaudhary Charan Singh argued about the agriculture should be the center of planning. There were few other groups also there, and those few other groups, they said that progress cannot be made without increase of industrial production. It means if we want a real progress for the nation, real development for the nation, we need to increase the industrial production. More and more industry, more investment, more investment, more employment, more employment. So automatically, economically, we will be sound. Okay, and that will enhance the prosperity of the nation, and that is why we require more industrial production. So they said, they criticized the first 5-year plan, which was totally based on agriculture. They advocate, they support industrialization. Okay, so they say the state made laws for land reform and distribution of resources. In the first 5-year plan, we discussed that various reforms have been initiated by the government. Land reforms, consolidation of land holding, abolition of zamindari system, and various others. Okay, so land reforms were initiated by the government, and resources were distributed to all the sections of society. So this was criticized by the others. They also criticized the community development program. They also criticized the investment which was made on irrigation and dam construction. And they said the policy, there was no harm with the policy. Policy was okay. But there was a problem where non-implementation, that whatever they have promised, it was not implemented properly. Simply we can say that corruption and inefficiency was involved. That is why it was not implemented properly, and this non-implementation was the reason for failure of this first 5-year plan, not the policy of the planners. Okay. And they also say that the land owning class, the landlords in the rural areas, government is working hard, government is providing land reforms, government is thinking about the farmers, peasant and all. But what about the landowner class? Will they change their behavior? Will they change their arrogant behavior that they are having the habit of dominate the small farmers? Will they change? No. So this landowning class having a lot of social and political power, and because of the social and political power, rural poverty cannot be removed at all till the time they will have the control in their hands. So this 5-year plan, which was mainly thinking about the farmers, marginal groups, but the non-implementation was the reason of the failure of first 5-year plan according to various groups of the people. Okay, so this way, this first thing was agriculture versus industry. This was a huge debate in the country. Okay, that agriculture is the right direction for the development, or the industry should be the right direction for the development. Let's move on to the second question. Second problem was public versus private sector. Okay, so just now we discussed agriculture versus industry. Now the second was the public sector control or the private sector control. It means who will lead as a primary role, who will play a primary role in controlling the country, okay, controlling the government and economic activities. So we discussed already the two types of model, capitalist model or socialist model. Okay, the capitalist model means the control should be in the hands of private hand, okay, private entrepreneurs, industrialists and businessmen. Okay, it means the private ownership should be there and market should be free. Okay, free market, free economy where the capital can easily be flow. Second system, socialist model, where the state control is imposed. It means no private ownership at all. The complete economic activities will be controlled by the state itself. Okay, so India neither adopted the capitalist model nor accepted the socialist model, but they go with the mixed economy and mixed model. It means some of the industries were given to the private sector because of all those argument, discussion and debates. Some of the industry were given to the private entrepreneurs, some industry were still kept with the public sector or the government. Okay, so agriculture and trade, these two areas were given to the private hands. Key heavy industries, industrial infrastructure and regulation of trade, that how the trade will be controlled. Okay, so this regulation, the key heavy industry, iron and steel and all, Navratna, Maharatna, Miniratna, that you have discussed in the economics book also. So industrial infrastructure, these were kept with the public sector. Government will have control over these areas, government will lead an important role and they will decide that what to be done with these areas. But the agriculture and trade, so that the productivity can be brought in the market, so private entrepreneurs, private industrialists will decide about that. So arguments were there by the two wings, the right wing or the left wing. Okay, already we discussed that one of the model was supported by the right wing, one of the model supported by the left wing. Left wing support the socialist, right wing support capitalist. Okay, so both of the wing, both of the ideology, the people belonging to these two ideologies, they criticize the mixed economy model. Mixed economy model, how? So what the rightists said? Rightists said that the planners refuse to provide private sector with enough space and stimulus to grow. It means planners do not allow the private industrialists to utilize their own policies. They restrict them. Okay, the mixed model restrict the private entrepreneurs and private industrialists to implement their policies so that it do not provide stimulus to grow them. Okay, it did not provide them enough space. Some restrictions have been imposed on them. What were those restrictions? Public sector imposed restrictions on private capital being primary role, having the primary control. Public sector imposed restriction. What type of restrictions? That capital flow will be restricted through licensing and permit. It means who will enter into the market, they need license. Okay, permit is the another imposition, and we can say another restriction which were imposed by public sector. So private sector was not free. It cannot work freely. Okay, restrictions were imposed. So this was the criticism made by the rightists. The second one. The third, they say, because of the domestic protection, more and more protection given to the domestic industries, that is why they impose import tariffs and import restriction, that no country and no company will import from the outside, from the foreign countries, just to protect the domestic industry in the country itself. Okay, because of this, competition free, the market become competition free, domestic production was given, and it led private sector to upgrade layers. How the standardization of the product can come, how the quality will improve if there will be no competition with the international product. Okay, where the exposure will not be given to the international market, the private entrepreneur, private businessman cannot grow, they cannot upgrade, the quality cannot be enhanced. Okay, so this was another criticism. They criticize the more and more control given to the public sector, it led them to become inefficient, it led the corruption. Okay, so public sector will be corrupted, public sector will be inefficient, and this inefficiency and corruption will increase. Okay, this was all the points which were said by rightists. What the leftists say about the mixed economy and mixed model? They criticize this mixed model. The state did not spend enough amount on public education and healthcare. Okay, if it is said the more socialist people also given some rights. So why the state did not spend money on public education, which is related to the social welfare, healthcare, medical facilities, which is related to the social welfare. Even state intervene only in those areas. It means the government control will be in those areas where private sector was not prepared to go. It means only few areas were given to the government, and not willingly whatever left over means whatever left for them, they were given to those areas. Main areas were given to the private sector. They criticize this. The third thing is, because of this private public, another class emerged in the society. That was middle class, and this middle class, they were having high salary. The higher salary were given to this middle class group, but accountability was not decided. They were less accountable. They were less responsible. Okay, so salary was given higher, but the accountability was less. So this was the another criticism. Although the proportion of the poor people decreased, percentage, as the population also grow, so automatically the number of people will be more and more people will increase in the population, but the percentage wise will be less. Okay, so although the proportion decreased, but still the number of poor people get increase year by year, month by month, and day by day. So this was the another criticism made by the leftists. So rightists and leftists both criticize the mixed economy model, but still you know that Indian government has followed this mixed economy model, and still we are following the same. So student, that's all for today. In next video we will continue this chapter. Thank you.